Hello everyone, and thanks for checking out your latest weather update here. Looking ahead to Saturday, going to be another nice day. We'll have temperatures pretty cool in the morning, around 60. And we're going to warm into the 70s for the afternoon. Should see those skies becoming mostly sunny as we go through the course of the day. Cool temperatures and low humidity. We're going to keep those temperatures cool through the weekend. Check out Sunday, only in the low to mid 70s, and we'll have cloudy skies. I do think we'll have at least a few scattered showers around for the afternoon hours on our Sunday here. We're going to keep those chances into early Monday. Just looking at some of the data here, notice that they are bringing in at least some light showers, and that's going to really keep a lid on those temperatures for our day Sunday with plenty of cloud cover. And then Monday, we start to see the rain kind of move out of here as we go into the course of the day with temperatures getting a little warmer. And then check out next week. By Tuesday, we're up to 90 degrees. Yeah, summer coming back for us here for a few days. Temperatures around 90 for the middle of next week. A couple thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday, with the best chance of storms right now looks to be with a cold front as we go into next Friday. Thanks for checking out this forecast. Enjoy those pleasant temperatures this weekend.